If you're running a solid business, know your stuff and take good care of your clients, but your leads are unpredictable, it's likely not your market. It's your strategy. In this video, I'll walk you through the core Google Ads strategy we use to help our clients generate consistent, high quality leads. This is not for startups or dabblers. This strategy is built for established service businesses. Those already doing good work, have strong reviews, and are ready to grow past word of mouth. Many agencies default to performance max, auto settings, or just testing things, mainly because it's easy to do. This is why they get very few leads, if any, or they get low quality leads. If you've tried Google Ads and felt like it just ate your budget, this is likely why. Here are 5 strategic levers we focus on. The ones that drive qualified leads, stable cost per lead, and consistent growth. We start with search campaigns, where people are already searching for what you offer. In fact, you can try this later. Try searching for your service on Google. When you do, you'll likely see a lot of sponsored ads from your competitors. So the interest, the intent is already there. What we need to do is just capture it. We don't just run traffic to a generic website. We build and optimize high converting landing pages, set up accurate conversion tracking, and make sure your offer is clear and compelling. A big mistake new advertisers make is to optimize for a lot of things, especially when you have limited budget. That slows you down. What we do is we focus on the number one best conversion. It could be phone calls or form submission. We then train the system to prioritize that conversion, leading to high quality leads fast. When it comes to bidding, we don't gamble with target CPA on day one. First, we gather data using maximize clicks or maximize conversions bid strategy. Once we have enough volume and consistency, then we optimize for the cost per lead. We analyze search terms, block junk traffic, test ad copy, and more week by week. That's how we bring more and better leads over time. Once the search campaigns are working and bringing in qualified leads, we expand. That's when we layer in performance max, display remarketing, or demand gen to reach a bigger audience across different touchpoints. Yes, performance max works, but only when you've earned the right to use it. That is, when you have enough conversion data. To summarize, it's not about doing everything. It's about doing the right things in the right order so that your ad budget actually drives results. When this strategy is done right, here's what happens. One of our clients, before they came to us, they were getting very few leads from their SEO or Google organic listings. So we ran ads for them following the same principles that I've talked about. And within 1.5 months, they were getting almost 40 leads weekly. If you want to stop playing with Google Ads and start using it to actually grow your business, let's talk. There's a link below to see if we're of it.